for HarborFest, which is an honorary title, and we're honoring Ray Redness. And if you can hear in the background, there's over 100 people who have gathered tonight to celebrate Ray, who's an unusual contributor to Stanford. He is a key sailor, he's a surveyor, he's an engineer, he is a preeminent citizen in the best sense of the world, where he was a former Young Mariners board member. He's been incredibly generous to every nonprofit, including SoundWaters. Besides contributions, he donates his time and talent. Ray literally knows every inch of the harbor and of the Sound. He surveyed it. He is half of Redness and Mead, and they're the preeminent surveyors and engineers in Stanford, and he just continually gives back. So he sails, he is a race committee chair, he helps run many events here at Stanford Yacht Club, and he's had a keen interest since the very beginning of Young Mariners and SoundWaters of our mission, which is to connect students to Long Island Sound for their own personal growth, for their growth as students, and to create the next generation of stewards for Long Island Sound. So he's been part of us since the beginning, and it's a thrill to be able to do this small honor for such a great guy.
HarborFest. And congratulations, Ray. So tell us a little bit about you and what this means to you.
Oh, well, I'd rather tell you what it means to me than a little bit about me. To me, this is it's a great statement about what's going on in the harbor in Stanford and all of the things that are generating interest and getting kids out and educating them and all. And to be asked to do this, to me, I'm just, I don't know what I can say about that. I'm very flattered and humbled by it.